you're going back on the...
I'm going down that alley. I'm not catching the field though.
Alright.
Hey, no, Good night.
Kill the lights when you go down there.
What?
Kill the lights when you go down there.
Hell no.
Why?
No, because I haven't been down here. Daylight.
Yeah, dude. Oh no! Dead end! What do we do? Oh, you go off-road.
Alright, here we go. Anybody ask the walls? Okay?
Yeah. That looks like a fun backyard. Yeah.
Probably is. Where are we, dude?
I have no idea.
Just say we're not from here.
Oh, we ain't finished yet.
Dirty Jaws.
These people are probably with it. What the fuck is this?
Gangster Mobile.
Where? Oh, no. Hey, there's the road.
Yeah. Guy looking at us. Money!
Is that fun?
Yeah. Okay, we're back out. See y'all. Bye.